like that. Come on into my home.
So, what's different besides the fact that there's not water pouring all over the floor? What's different?
That looks a lot better.
Yeah?
Yeah. But you can still.
Better from what?
That still looks a lot better than it did.
As compared to what?
As compared to how it was before.
How was it
Because they
before?
were finished painting in here and the stuff was rest up, that's all. Like, there was still like little nail holes and there was water still filled in the vents and.
There was water still in the
Yes.
vents? So you had the top off the vent and there was still water?
They cleaned it up.
There's still water down there?
No, they cleaned it
It's
up.
dry.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Getting somewhere.
Oh, did you write these notes here?
Yeah.
Big gap under window ledge.
Right on from here, you see.
Water in vent.
Still
You wrote
see the
that.
lines. Yeah.
What wasn't
Yeah.
here?
There was a big hole right there. That wasn't there.
Okay, so they filled that in.
And what is this? What is this?
Well, you definitely have people here to.
Where is the stock? And that was over my heater, over my the dryer hose, because there was lint everywhere from when we still were able to come over and wash.
Yeah.
And there was lint everywhere.
So you were able still to use this after the flood, you were still able to use this? But there was,
Wait, look here, look. Hold on.
okay.
This is what I had. On here. Because they had their big marble slabs was laying on my grass. You don't kill my grass, damn it, stay the hell out.
Didn't you say you planted this grass?
I did plant this grass.
Every single little blade.
I did. I planted this grass
By
twice.
yourself.
You don't kill my grass.
Expresses herself in
I do once I get a little angry.
signs.
I just wonder if Sergio knows what the expletive means.
I'm sure he
He
does.
he probably does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, they've still
But it
been
would have been
Is
interesting
that
if
sign
you
for
had
peaches too?
No, that's
Okay.
not for
written that in
She
Italian.
can't read English.
Right.
No, the F word in Italian or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But see, I see this because that was they still threw that on there, whatever that is.
That's
the
an
little-
apple core
and
and
it's some chips or something, some paint chips or something. But that wasn't here
yeah.
earlier this morning, nor when I put that sign up there. That's okay. Yeah, they threw the little
Yeah.
apple core and little paint chips on. That's okay.
You want your grass.
I do.
Yeah, you do.
I certainly do. Oh, let's see the sink.
So this was that corner that had a huge amount of mold in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the difference now.
I don't want that faucet. I want my